Hello everybody, this is Alex Borday. I'm VP of Product and Engineering here at Bigstep, and I want to give you a very quick 5-minute demo of our Metal Cloud product. So the very first dialog you will see after creating an account with us is the Create Infrastructure dialog. An infrastructure is a security context that groups together various infrastructure elements. So let's give it a name. And I'm going to click Create. So our goal for this demo is to deploy a bare metal instance with 8 cores and 32 gigs of RAM and a 200 GB SSD block device. The way to do that in the Metal Cloud is to use an instance array, which represents a collection of identical instances. I'll go ahead and click on the instance array button in the left-hand menu. Okay. As you can see, I now have two boxes connected to each other. The one on the top is the instance array, and the one on the bottom is a drive array, which is automatically created and represents my hard drive. So I can configure both from the same dialog. So I'll go ahead and click on the edit link on the instance array and to edit this configuration. Okay. So let's select the desired server type. I'm going to remove the default one and I'm going to select another one. Click on new. As you can see, there's a lot of options available, and I'm just going to go for the A.32 v2 server. Okay. And click Add New. I'm also going to select an operating system. By default, the server will come with the latest CentOS version, which is incidentally what I want, and I'm just going to keep it like that, but there are other options available. I'm also going to drag the slider to 200, because I want the 200 GB drive. And the last thing I need to do is to whitelist my IP so that I can SSH into the server. The reason why I need to do this is because by default all traffic is blocked from the internet. And this is my IP, it's been already pre-filled into this field here. I'll click Save and save again. That's it. Let's hit Deploy now. So this dialog gives you an overview of the changes that will be applied. Remember, your changes will only be applied if you hit Deploy. I'm going to hit Deploy. This should take about a minute or two. Since we don't want to wait that long, I'm just going to switch over to a new infrastructure where everything has already been deployed. So this is how it's going to look like. Notice the active labels here on the infrastructure elements. So what I want to do is I want to SSH into the system, right, and get my access credentials. So the easiest way to do that is just click on the instance array and click on the access link that's available here. This will open the terminal in my Mac, and as you can see, I'm already logged in. And this works because my SSH key has already been deployed on the server. It's been configured in my account and already deployed on the server by the system. But in case you haven't done that, you can just copy paste this URL here and use the password that we already provisioned. That's it. If you wish, or if I would want to do that right now, I could go ahead and just stop this instance, delete this instance array, or suspend it and resume it after a while. I can even change its configuration to something else, and with just a reboot. I mean, I will remove this and add a new one, and that will be it. I hit save and reboot. I'm just going to go revert to the before I did those changes. So this is a truly on-demand bare metal service that's not only more performant and more stable and more secure than any virtualized alternative, but it is also just as flexible. So remember, there are many more features available in the Metal Cloud, such as databases as a service, our own object storage system, and many others. Just go ahead and create an account and start exploring. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.